Okay, so it's September 30 now, and I'm going to show you, this is still day 1, day 2, sorry, this is day 2. So I'm showing you now the cut. Right now you're looking at my finger, my cut finger, which is in a glass of urine. I took off the cot, and I put my finger in a glass of urine. I want to show you the skin here. Right, there's a little piece of skin dangling there. Where is it? See right there, a little piece of skin dangling on? In the center of the screen, pinpoint center of the screen, a little piece of skin dangling. That's it. I think this is a good thing. Try and get a close up here more. Take it out. This is how it looks when it's out. Where is it? Here. Put that back in there like this. Here. Wait a second. Get a better angle here. Sorry for the bad photography here. Bear with me. I have a really damaged finger. Sympathy. Here. Where is it? There it is here. Okay, that's enough of that, and that's going to go back into here for a few hours, and I'll check in again, okay?